Today we're changing the VVT sensor or solenoid, which is located. One is under here and one is under here, and we're going to have to remove the cover. But first, I would like to disconnect my battery. And I'm going to use a 10mm socket to unloosen these. Lift this guy up. We're going to move it to the side. Please make sure you keep up with all your bolts and screws and anything you unscrew with nut. Now the first one is right here. There go one. The second one I'm going to change is right there. So I have to move this out the way. Now removing this part, you want to take your Phillips screwdriver and you want to unloosen this screw and unloosen that screw. You can use your hand or pliers to squeeze these clamps together and kind of wiggle it off. Same here, use your hands, or you can use pliers, squeeze them, wiggle it off, and slide it back, and this should come off. Now after a little wiggling and tugging, I finally got the air filter or whatever that thing was called. Finally removed that. So now I can access my other VVT sensor here. And again, here's the other one here. You can tell which one is bad, but I'm going to change both of them out anyway. As you can see, yeah, corroded. So I want to unscrew here and disconnect here. I'm going to do the same. Unscrew here and disconnect somewhere over here. As I was telling you guys earlier, these are my two VVT sensors. And you can see this side can only go here. It cannot go here. And this side can only go here. It cannot go here. So you shouldn't be able to, you shouldn't get confused. So I took my Phillips, I kind of pushed the latch down to release this. I took a 10mm socket and unscrewed this. Should just kind of wiggle out a little bit. It's kind of in there, ain't it? There we go. That ball is in there. And we got that one out, which don't look bad, but I still want to replace it. And I'm gonna lube this up a little bit and slide that boy right back in there. Just like that, connect it. So I just took the VVT sensor out and you can see how bad it is, bad of a shape compared to the other one I just took out. So now it's time to replace this one with the new one.